TO17, a linear heat-sinking transistor assembly machine, is a combination line device that integrates screw fastening technology. It is designed for multiple or different types of transistors in a single set of products, with processes such as forming, dispensing, inspection, and screw fastening, as well as various screw types, some of which require different torque segmentation for fastening. All these functions can be fully automated at designated workstations. In the heat sink fastening process, the machine can sequentially complete transistor automatic forming, feeding, glue dispensing, inspection, clamping, pressure retention, and screw fastening. The equipment is made up of several independent devices connected in series, with each device performing its own specific task. The product moves from front to back during the conveyor process, ensuring high positioning accuracy. The machine is controlled by Mitsubishi PLC and a human-machine interface touchscreen, with all actions divided and completed. The machine supports materials such as TO220, TO247, or bridge-piled transistors, or other similar packaging types. It is easy to operate and maintain with a very low failure rate. The torque is adjustable, allowing for segmental screw fastening. The equipment is customized, and similar products can be switched within the machine's processing range. The program can be edited, stored, and recalled within the PLC. Click the link below to visit our website for a quote.